PrestoSketch Halloween Edition. Hey everyone! For this Halloween episode, we're going to draw a cute jack-o'-lantern. The colors we'll be using are black, orange, brown, green, and pink. Let's start by drawing the outside part of the pumpkin. Make your pumpkin with any shape you want. I'll be drawing mine big and round. Then draw a stem sprouting out of the top. Next, 2 big circles for the eyes. Then 2 smaller circles inside those circles. Now we're going to draw a funny smile with some teeth sticking out. You can even create your own funny smile. Go ahead and give it a try if you want. Time to color. I'm going to go fast on the coloring part, but you can pause the video and take your time to make yours as awesome as you want it to be. Color the stem with the brown marker. We're going to use our green marker for the vines. Draw a thick curly line coming out the top of the pumpkin. Now take your black marker and go over the lines again. The vine part can be a bit tricky, so you can follow along as I show you how to outline it with the black marker. Lastly, we'll go over the rest of the pumpkin and fill in the eyes and the mouth. For the final touches, we'll use the pink marker for the cheeks. Good job! You did it! If you like drawing along with me, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.